So Clendenin Lumber Company, we're located in Donald, South Carolina. We've got a hardwood sawmill and concentration yard. The sawmill is supported by 3 log yards. All of our production comes from about 80-mile radius around the facility. We have transformed the facility over the past couple of years into a hardwood pine sawmill operation. About 20% of the production is pine now. The sawmill itself, it's a pretty optimized operation. We've got a Nicholson ring debarker on the front end. We've got optimized head rig, edger, trimmer, a bin sorter, and a stacker on the back side. That then feeds the yard operation. Out on the yard, we've got a pre-dryer or a fan shed that we're able to protect the lumber in. We've got a T-shed that we're able to put about 1 million feet of lumber in to protect it from the elements, to help with overall quality. And then finally, we go into one of 11 dry kilns, and we dry about 1.2 million feet per month. Processing, we have a PHL line that we process anywhere from 10 to 15,000 feet an hour of KD production. And then we're able to vision tally it on the back end to get the tally. So lots of focus here on quality, obviously focus on production, but I'd say what makes us unique is we're able to provide pretty good link structure on our oaks and our poplar, and then we're the place to come within Baillie to buy your pine lumber.